Hello guys, I have another 2022 Corvette C8. The problem of the car is the odometer is not reading. It's not showing. As you can see, it is showing me 00. We haven't changed anything in this car. Let's see what are the fault codes. Let's see fault codes in the body control module. So there are no fault codes. Let me check the identification information. Let's see if there is some weight mismatch of the odometer or something. So it is driven like 849 kilometer in the body control module. And let's see data display. So in the instrument cluster, it is showing that the car is driven 934 kilometer, and the body control module, it is saying that it is driven like 830. So there's 100 difference both between instrument cluster and the body control module. So we will have to reprogram the body control module. Let's see if we can correct the values, or either if the values are not getting correct, so we'll have to reprogram the instrument cluster. So let's first start by programming the body control module, and let's see if we can do something with it. Switch on the car. الو يا حبو، مو مشكلة حبيبي، الحين بنترك لك حبيبي. After reprogramming of the body control module, let's see if the meter will be reading or not. Switch off. Sometimes it's taking a bit of time. I hope it will be okay. The odometer will be correct with this. Programming is completed. Clear the DTC and let's see. Yes, it's still it's blank. So let me do the setup. Let's see. I'm doing the setup. Setup is also completed. Let me switch off the car for a moment, and then I will remove the battery, and then let's see if it's programmed or not. So finally the car is done. We have reprogrammed the body control module, and the mileage is done. It is showing the mileage. It's only driven 935 kilometer. Everything is okay.